I'm back on Roblox, the strongest Spider-Man, and I'm looking in the list. Oh no, I'm not gonna finish them because it's gonna get boss battle, and the cassette of the owner, she gonna added void fish Suryo, okay, and zombie man, and I found this. I subscribed this that said she gonna added the admin added the zombie man. Please void that void fish is gonna be added. And I look in that, please like and subscribe para we gonna reach 100 subscribers. We're almost 100 subscribers. We are 66. Beating me. If they added the water gun man, that's for me because I love that. Pero, but, you know, in Tagalog, right? But, have I really happy I don't have a Robux. And I don't buy that. Oh, bye bye.